session we are going to deal with AutoCAD. I think everyone know what is AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a software. It's a tool from whom? From Autodesk. And who is Autodesk? I think everyone know. It's a big software development company dealing with this kind of software. Not only AutoCAD, this Autodesk people offering 3D Max, Revit, Maya, list of softwares, and the most popular software from Autodesk is AutoCAD. And if you talk about the history of AutoCAD, the AutoCAD introduced in 90s, and they release R1, release 1 in DOS. DOS, I think you know, disk operating system before Windows. And after every year they introduce the latest version, and now in present world we are dealing with the latest version of AutoCAD, that is AutoCAD 2021, and that works on Windows. It's a Windows base and even available in Mac. Mac means, you know, operating system from Apple. Similarly, Windows from Microsoft. So this AutoCAD 2020 version means latest version. All the latest version is compatible with the Windows as well as the Mac. Okay, so we are dealing with the latest version in this training program. So first we'll discuss how to install this this AutoCAD software. Just log in with the student user ID and password, and you can install the latest version. Latest version 2020 also available with some new options. Okay, so we'll work on the latest version. So I'll start with the very basic. Okay, so let me open the screen. Let me share the screen first. So now on screen, here you can find this AutoCAD 2020. I'm going to open this, and you see, first we'll discuss what is what on screen, the terms and terminology, very basic. And you see, AutoCAD is very simple, very easy. If you spend time for practice, AutoCAD is nothing. Even a 7th standard the student also can learn AutoCAD, because it's very user friendly and you know, it's from Autodesk, and Autodesk products are very user friendly. So even the 7th or 10th standard student can learn this AutoCAD. Means learn this AutoCAD means I'm talking about tools. You see, in AutoCAD we have means AutoCAD is used for what? Use online. AutoCAD is for
drafting, sir.
For drafting, na? So here you see, drafting can be for HVAC, can be for plumbing, can be for firefighting, can be for electrical, can be for any building service, including architectural and structural layouts, right? So it means AutoCAD is a tool, right? AutoCAD is a tool for what? For drawing. Okay, so in AutoCAD you are going to learn how to draw. This is important. Many people have confusion. They think that AutoCAD is for civil only. AutoCAD is for only mechanical or electrical. No, AutoCAD is a tool. AutoCAD is a tool for drawing. If you know how to use the tool, then you can learn what to draw. Means AutoCAD is for how to draw. Means in AutoCAD we are going to learn how to draw. In drafting part, like HVAC, plumbing, firefighting, any service drafting, you are supposed to learn what to draw. Okay, getting a point. So if you don't know how to draw, can you think for what to draw online?
No, sir.
No. So that's the reason. First you must know AutoCAD, you must know the tools, you must know this options, you must know how to draw. If you know how to draw, then you can think what to draw in technical side, that we can call HVAC drafting or plumbing, firefighting, electrical, or any building service drafting. Okay, getting my point. So in AutoCAD we are going to learn how to draw, and in drafting part, say HVAC drafting or any other service drafting, you are supposed to learn what to draw, the technical side. Okay, so AutoCAD is a tool, can be used by mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, civil, or any other service. Okay, from whom? From Autodesk.